Doesn't it look like like a witch? And I was like, this is so odd. Are they selling like witchcraft things? I hope it's not gonna rain when I'm out. The streets are so empty. It's 7 o'clock. Did I even say hello? Hi guys. This is, I don't know if this is gonna be a vlog or what, because I was not even planning on vlogging. I just left my house because I was like, it's 7 a.m. and I just spent the whole day sleeping yesterday. I just spent the whole of yesterday sleeping. So I'm like, today let me actually go for a walk to the beach. I was like, oh, the lake, the beach, I don't know. So let me just go to the beach. And now I'm thinking, just go to Daewangam Park. So I don't know. It's Tuesday. Yeah. So it's still Chuseok. I'm going to work on Friday. So yeah, let me go. I just edited one vlog. So here's another thing. For my birthday, which was many moons ago, I don't mind this thing, I know it's creased, but for my birthday I vlogged, né? And literally like the next day things turned sour, like at work, and I was never able to edit that vlog. Like looking at the vlog and what was happening in my life felt like two completely different situations, and I could not put the person that was in the video to the person that I was seeing from the 11th. So I found it hard to like edit that vlog, and I just was like, you know what, I'm never gonna edit it. And then one day I was like, I put it on my Instagram story, and then some people were like, oh, like you should definitely do it, like edit the vlog and like put it on YouTube. I was like, dude, that was like February. They're like, dude, we don't care, like just put it there. And I was like, I mean, why not, you know? Yeah, it is very late and I never thought I would post it, but now things are good as well. So I'm like, hey, let me just post it. So I think I'm gonna edit that one and then post it. So I don't know when you're gonna see this, but yeah, yesterday, what is today? Today is Tuesday. I went out on Sunday. Today's, yeah, Monday. Yesterday was Monday and I was just in bed. So anywho, check in with you guys a bit later. Okay, I need to take out these nails. They're old now, yo. They're like over me. I'm over them too. But yeah, like kukuba mo na ba makat. Lava na ke 7. Ashiba laba weka auto. Lava. Wow, wow. Let's look at this. What does this look like? Doesn't it look like like a witch? And I was like, this is so odd. Are they selling like witchcraft things? But it's actually a restaurant. So this is a pot, and that's some lid. I don't know if this is the thing inside spilling, but it just looks so odd. At first glance, you're like, is that a witch? Yeah, it's so weird and funny. Guys, I can't believe it's been a year since I've been here. Did I say a year? Almost, not even almost a year, but I came here like March, I think. Oh, no, January. But it's been a while. Because Kiruru flows and it's stressing me out. Anywho, let us go and walk. I don't know how far I'm gonna walk because Kujawangi walk and I wanna walk back home too. So it's so pretty. Oh, it's my vibe. Yeah, totally. Remember I wanted to go on that slide the other time? The dragon, because it's a slide. Beautiful balance between the city. I wouldn't change living in a coastal city for anything. And there's the bridge. It's empty today. Maybe they'll open it later, I don't know. Guys, I love nature so much. Like it feels something in me. I don't know why you can't turn your phone around when you're shooting. But do you see that? Can't see the water properly, but yeah, so gorgeous. I was on a video call with my mom and she was like, I was busy showing her around. And she said to me, she's like, when I was up, when? And I was like, no, like, I mean, maybe. But it was so funny. Like, she was just like, she just saw how happy I am. And she just assumed that Angikuthembi wena. It's so beautiful. This reminds me of my trip to Muscle Bay with my mother. Like this place and how I felt being there. It's so beautiful. Somebody that likes doing content, I need to be comfortable with carrying around a tripod, and I mean one that is long enough. But sometimes I just want to walk out the house with just a small thing with something for my lips and my inhaler and whatever else is in here. Not like a whole bag, you know what I mean? Also, this old woman, I saw others, like an old couple, Otia, the wife, Badly the right tripod, and then like they're actually standing together taking videos, and I thought they were so cute. I thought that was so adorable. I'm like, they don't care. I should also not care, but it's also like not necessarily about caring, but carrying a tripod. Oh my god. But anyway, I think I'm gonna go home now. I think it's 9:09 now. And it's snow prop fall. Well, not prop fall, but it's full. So I'm just gonna go home now. But also I'm gonna walk there. Thing is, I missed 2 days of my walks. So now I thought, let me walk here to Daewangam Park. And already walking here, I closed my circle. So that should tell you how far this place is. So now I'm just gonna walk back. Oh my god. Anyway, that is it. I think for me, maybe I'll sit by the beach a little bit. But yeah, the sea is quite rough today. But it still is so beautiful. So yeah. Oh my god. That hill. Wow. And there's a lighthouse here. Where is it? Can you guys see it? There you go. There's another one here. Oh, yeah. The ghetto. Anyway, need to know how am I? I'm sure. Sure. The sun is out. I'm walking to Ilsen Beach now. And then I'm gonna go home. Yep. I feel good. I'm a tiny bit sad. I'd ask, this reminds me of the kids. I'd be like, how are you? And they're like, teacher, I'm good, but a little sad. I'm like, oh, you both happy and sad? Yes, I am happy because today is Friday, but I'm a little sad because we have tests. Okay, got you. But yeah. Anywho, let's walk together. I haven't eaten, eh? I need to eat. This building is nice. Ooh, do you guys see that? This is the first restaurant I ever came to in Korea. My director brought me here. First Haragam coffee. First day here. If you still remember that vlog, my first vlog, my director took me to that place. And at the time, I didn't even see that it was close to the beach. But yeah, it's so close. And here we are. I need to sit down. What do you mean? Here. Okay, I don't know what. Oh, actually, yeah.